Cosmic collisions, the unexplored dangers of alien life. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, the quest for extraterrestrial life has long captivated human imagination. However, as our technological capabilities advance and the search for alien life intensifies, scientists are beginning to ponder a dark and unexpected scenario: the potential threat that contact with extraterrestrial life could pose to humanity. One of the unsettling possibilities lies in the concept of biological contamination. As we explore other celestial bodies, particularly Mars and the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, the search for signs of life is coupled with concerns about inadvertently introducing Earth's microorganisms to these environments. Conversely, the reverse scenario presents an equal risk: a potential extraterrestrial microbe hitchhiking back to Earth. The consequences of such biological exchange could be catastrophic, with the potential for uncontrolled contamination and unforeseen consequences. The notion of Xenovirology adds another layer of complexity to the discussion. While the existence of alien viruses is purely speculative, the prospect of encountering extraterrestrial pathogens raises significant concerns. Earthly life has evolved to coexist with a multitude of microorganisms, but an alien virus could be beyond our immune defenses, leading to unpredictable and potentially devastating consequences for terrestrial life forms. The communication barrier with potential extraterrestrial intelligences adds an element of unpredictability. Despite our best efforts to decipher cosmic signals, the intent behind an extraterrestrial message remains a profound unknown. If contact with alien life occurs, the lack of a shared language or understanding of intentions may lead to unintended conflicts. The scenario of accidental aggression or misunderstanding between humans and extraterrestrial beings is a haunting prospect, reminiscent of science fiction cautionary tales. Beyond the immediate risks of biological contamination and miscommunication, there are profound existential concerns. The arrival of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization could pose an existential threat to humanity, akin to the impact of European colonization on indigenous societies. The potential for technological disparity and conflicting values raises questions about our ability to navigate interactions with a vastly superior alien civilization. The unforeseen consequences of contact with an extraterrestrial force could challenge the very foundations of human civilization. Interestingly, the possibility of a galactic zoo scenario adds a speculative twist to the discussion. Some theories suggest that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations might be observing Earth, but refraining from direct contact to avoid disrupting our natural development. If true, the paternalistic notion of being monitored by cosmic overseers introduces a unique perspective on our place in the cosmos and the potential consequences of breaking free from the hypothetical zoo. While these scenarios remain speculative, they underscore the importance of approaching the search for extraterrestrial life with caution and responsibility. As scientists explore the cosmos in search of cosmic companions, the potential risks and uncertainties associated with contact should be integral to our considerations. Whether in the form of biological contamination, communication challenges, or existential threats, the prospect of alien life may indeed be a double-edged sword that demands careful contemplation and preparation. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life, while filled with awe and wonder, also brings forth a spectrum of potential risks and challenges. From the dangers of biological contamination to the uncertainties of communication and the existential threats posed by advanced civilizations, the prospect of alien life introduces a complex and multifaceted narrative. As humanity takes its first steps into the cosmic unknown, a balance between curiosity and caution will be essential to navigate the uncharted territories of potential contact with extraterrestrial beings.